That is the drone in the case. That's the case I use for my Phantom 4 Pro. Holy cow. So this thing is tiny, and you just fold it out. There you go. Instructions, yeah. There it goes. So this is the controller. It folds out. Yeah, look at that. Battery charger. That's that. Box is empty. This thing right here. I love doing this. Boom! Bam. It's got this little thing right here, and that uncovers. Look at this camera. Are you kidding me? I need to get a tape measure so you can see. This might even be, this is like way too big a tape measure to even measure how big this thing is. About half an inch. Good girl, come here. Come here, Lil. Come here. Good girl. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Don't go in the water. Okay, so this is my little sidekick, little Z. He's gonna help me. Can you say hi, Z?
Hello.
Hello. So I've got the Mavic Air in my pocket. We're all gonna climb to the top of that mountain right now to test this bad boy out and see what it can do. Good job, buddy. What happens when it crashes? Are you guys ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, check it out. You want to unzip it?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Then I'll put the case under the camera.
That sounds good.
Let's put it right here.
The lighting's like insane. The sun is setting over there and it's just lighting up everything over here. And let's take off. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Take off.
Woohoo! So cool. Click pano, click OK. We're doing a sphere, and I'm gonna hit shoot and see what happens. Boom! Pano done. One more thing that I think is really awesome about this is it's got this like quick shot thing. There's a whole bunch of them that automate this like cinematic style for you and make shooting really easy. But the one that I think is amazing is the asteroid. And so we're gonna try that out right now also. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. There it goes. And it does this all by itself. I'm not doing anything. It's just going up. I'm gonna shoot some cool video with the rest of this battery, and then we're good to go. So cool. There it goes. What?
I want to race with you.
Where?
To the house.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Wait. What? On your mark, get set, go. Oh man. You win. Okay, so I am currently on my way to the beach. I'm really excited about this because this is what I do. I love taking photos of the ocean. And my favorite things to shoot are dolphins, whales. I love beach scenes. I love seeing the reef through the water and all the textures that it creates. So it's one thing to have a really nice image on a computer screen, right? But I also sell prints of my photos. And so when we're done today, I'm gonna take a bunch of the shots that I got, run them through Lightroom, pick a few of my favorites, and we'll go actually get them physically printed on nice paper and see what they come out like. And I'll share them with you and let you know what I think. Okay. I've been out having so much fun playing with this thing, my hair's actually grown out. This little thing is so much fun to fly. It's crazy. But if the quality's not there, all it really is an expensive toy. I believe that the video quality out of this is pretty darn close to this, which is my Phantom 4 Pro. And that's amazing. Yeah, this is a little bit better. It's got the 60p in 4K. This can only go up to 30p in 4K. And this has a bigger sensor and it allows a little bit, you know, most people aren't going to be able to tell the difference. Now, I've seen a lot of people talk about the battery life. This battery goes up to about 21 minutes. This battery for the Phantom 4 Pro goes to about half an hour or so, which is really good. And when you're flying, that 10-minute difference, it comes up quick. You notice the difference. It feels a lot shorter. But to be fair, I mean, this is a tiny little battery, and to get 20 minutes out of something this small is absolutely incredible. And as we know, DJI is moving like at the speed of light when it comes to designing these things, and the next version of this will have a longer battery. So I have all of this out here so you can see the size difference, because for me, this is what I was flying before. I still do like to fly this a lot. So if I have to carry a camera bag around with a bunch of equipment in it, and I need to bring a drone along with me, I can stick this in my pocket. This is what's coming, this can stay home. But we're talking about this guy. Let's get this out of the way. So as I said earlier, I sell prints of my photos, and like I said, I wanted to share some of the results with you after getting them printed. And what I did was I went and I got them printed at multiple sizes, from 5x7 to 8x10 to 16x20 to 20x30. And I did this because I thought that at some point as they got bigger, you would see a really noticeable quality loss. But I gotta tell you, I was really surprised to see that the 20x30s actually have really nice detail in the images throughout. These 20x30s, I have two of them here, and I apologize, I put them on my bed, and my cat went ahead and took a nap on them, so they're a little crinkled up. I'm really happy with the way these came out. This thing is absolutely amazing, and I'm really excited to go out and play with it some more and to share that here. So check back, I'll have more footage to share. And thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it.